No, are you mad? What's that say? I don't care if you do a U-turn. That doesn't bother me. You can tell from that cyclist reaction. Crazy man. No, 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 no. Look what that says. Did you get your license in a Christmas cracker, mate? Come on, you're on the wrong side. It's a whole fucking cycle lane over there you could have passed in.
Guys, turun down.
Don't be shy, you can come. I can't block you. Why are you doing that?
I heard the voice.
And that changed your mind, huh? I could be anywhere.
Yeah.
This guy, I just stopped him. He was not happy with me in the car. I can't stop you anyway, because if you fell off, you could sue me.
That's it, yeah.
I don't want to hurt you. Are you mad? You'll be able to find your number plate on YouTube. You did come back, thank you. Is that from? You want to go? I'm just gonna go back there. At least you went back, it's good. Very bad, sir. Your number plate will be on YouTube. HN70HHJ. That's a hyper-powered motor scooter.